so welcome guys. This is Mastrix, and before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today just solving the easy problem called two sum. Basically, somebody give you an array and there's a target, and then you want to find two indices. Basically, you add them, and the result is the target. Okay, so the key point is that we mentioned that it's like one solution, and you cannot use the same element twice. Okay. So the naive way is just so the naive way is just using a two for loop. So you can write for I in range n, and for j in range, you can say I plus 1 and go to n. And if numbers your two numbers, that is just will be your target, then you can try to print. You can just try to return the I and j. Okay, so this is O square computation. Let me try. Oh, sorry. Okay. No, let me see. So I just this is my previous solving one. Right, you success. But you see the runtime is very faster than only this. Okay, and so another way is use the hash table. Okay, so you can first create a hash table. So this is I will just let me see. So first we create a hash table, and we use hash table to I guess basically somehow you trade some time complexity to the space. Okay, so this is the hash table we create. This is the hash table we create. Okay, and once we create this hash table, then we can just iterate the rest. So basically we do the same thing. Okay, and then what we want to check is if target minus num7 I, right? So in H. So when I said in H, I'm saying that in H key. So if target minus some element minus some element in the array, well, in H, then that means we may find the answer. But there's an exception. The exception is that if a target so if the target the hash table gives the result as I. So this is so you need to add this 9. What the reason is that the description said that you may not use the same element twice. So there's some special case that the target may be just twice of some element. So you need to check this. So once you check this, then you can just return the two indices. So the first indices is what? The first indices is this. The first indices is this one, right? This is definite. This is the first indices. Okay, and the second indices, then the original indices is just I. Just right, because we rerun for I in range something. So this is just I. This is just I. Okay, so I guess this is much faster than the original one. I use hash table. Right, so it's much faster than original one. Okay, and I think this is not very good, but still okay. Okay, so I will see you guys in next video.